We'll guide you through how to set up Microsoft Authenticator. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. So with the Microsoft Authenticator app set up on your device, it means you can then go and get two-factor authentication for your Microsoft account, but also for other apps and websites. So you can go and help keep these accounts secure. For example, when signing in or maybe making a change, you may go and get asked for it. So to go and get this set up, we need to go and get the app on our device. So you can go and open up the App Store or Play Store. Then we can go and press search and we can go and find the Microsoft Authenticator. You can go and type it in. I'm being suggested at the top. Then here it is here. We can then go over to the right and we can go and download it. Shouldn't go and take too long. It'll only be a small app. When it finishes, you can go and press open. Here we are in the Authenticator and let's get started with this. So first of all, I'm going to go and add my Microsoft account. If you want to do that, you can follow or you can skip to the part where we start adding other apps and websites. So what we can do is go and press add personal, but you could also add your work or school if you wish. We'll then go and press allow like so. Now what we need to do is go and sign into our account. So I'm going to go and sign in like so. Then go and enter in your password and you can go and press sign in. I've been asked to go and verify myself. So in this case, I can go and verify my backup email. So I'll go and type that in here. I've verified myself and I've now successfully added the account. So I'll go and press finish. So I've now gone and added my own Microsoft account. I can go and tap there and I'll then go and see the one-time passcode I can go and use if I want to. Now, if you want to go and add in other apps and websites, let's get started with that. So you can go and press the barcode looking icon in the bottom right like so, and then you can go and scan the QR code if you get one, or you can go and enter a code manually. So if you want to go and get a barcode or a manual code, what we can do is go and open up an app or service. I could do this with Instagram, for example, but you could do this with another app or website as well. So come to your account settings. So on Instagram, come to your profile page and then press the three lines in the top right. Then we need to head to the account center. And then here we need to go into the password and security settings. This will be similar for other apps and websites as well. And then in here, you need to go and find the option for two-factor authentication. Click there. I then need to choose the account I want to go and set this up for. And now I want to go and choose authentication app. That is what Microsoft Authenticator is. So we've got that selected and press next. So now here we're going to be given the instructions, but what we're looking for is the key. So if you're doing this on another device, which you can do, it's actually easier because then you can go and scan the QR code in the Microsoft Authenticator app as I showed you. But if you're doing it on the same device like me, we can go and use the code here. So we can press copy key. And then what you want to do is come and return to Authenticator, press the barcode icon in the bottom right and press enter code manually. Then I want to go and press other. And we can then go and enter in a name. So this is Instagram. So I can go and type that in like so. And then I can go and press secret key. I'll then tap there and we can go and paste it in and go and press finish. So we've now gone and added it. So what we can now do is we need to go and get this code to go and tap on it and tap it again. And we've now copied the code. You can then return to Instagram and press next and wait. And then what you need to do to go and verify you set it up is go and enter in the code here. So I'll tap on the cursor and I'll go and press paste and press next at the bottom. Wait for this to load, it shouldn't take too long. And then when this has been entered, we've now successfully turned on two-factor authentication. So I'll press done. So now when I go and sign in, I'm going to get asked for that code and I'll need to go and open up the Microsoft Authenticator app to go and get it. And the code in the Authenticator would have seen will go and change every certain time period. So that's it. And now we've gone and successfully set it up and you're now using Microsoft Authenticator. And of course, you can go and add in more apps as well. So if you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more guides like this.